Hey everyone, Dave the Watchman coming at you again with another watch review video. I love doing these videos. I love buying watches. I love doing videos. I'm not a jeweler. I'm just a guy that likes his watches. I like to buy them. I like to review them. I like to wear them. I love my watches. So Dave the Watchman coming at you again with another watch review video. And in this watch review video, I'm going to go over an Olevs watch that I'm really fond of. I love this watch. And you guys know I love my Olevs watches. I'm not sponsored by the company, but man, I just like their watches. But I do have an affiliate link that I will post to all the watches that I review on the channel. And if you want one, just run down to that comment section, grab that affiliate link, and see if you can snag yourself a deal on one of these nice watches. So, without further ado, let's get into it. And once again, if you guys like the channel, like, subscribe. I appreciate the thumbs up. Love the subscribers, and I love to hear what you guys have to say about these watches or any other watches. Just love watches. So anyway, this is a watch that I just got a couple of days ago, came in, and I've worn it a couple of times. Do get a lot of looks with it, gotten a couple of compliments on it. It's, like I said, it's an Olevs. Okay, I like my Olevs watches. And very good quality. I mean, it's a nice watch. I believe this watch is supposed to represent or pay homage to a Rolex Oyster Perpetual, maybe, or it's not a Daytona, maybe a day date. I don't know. I'd have to look at the pictures again. But anyhow, Schrody likes it. You like this watch, buddy? Yeah. You got to get down, bud. So anyhow, he's not going to get down. Schrody. So anyway, this is supposed to be maybe an Oyster Perpetual, maybe a day date. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any familiarity with any of those Rolex watches. Actually, I got the day set wrong on it. It's supposed to be Tuesday. Tuesday. Okay. Tuesday, is it the 4th? Alexa, what's the date today?
Good morning, David. It's Tuesday, March 5th.
March 5th. Okay. Oh. Oh, that's the day. Oh boy. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. I went all the way past it. Okay, so the 5th. 21, 22. Okay, so we're Tuesday the 5th. Okay, so once again, good quality watch. I love how the face looks on this one. It's got that blue color to it. It's really striking even in person. It looks great on the video, but it looks really nice in person as well. It's very shiny. It's all stainless. Love the band. Very sparkly, shiny, good looking watch. It's not too big on the wrist, but it is, it's got the single clasp, which I like these. I also started to kind of like the butterfly clasps also. But yeah, it's a really nice watch. I think right now this watch is somewhere in the neighborhood of $40 on Amazon. So I will post a link for this so you guys can head on over to Amazon and pick one up. I got that affiliate link that, that kind of helps out a little bit. So yeah, click on the affiliate link, go grab one of these guys. It's a really nice looking watch. Good quality. You can see I set everything works well. And it's also supposed to be water resistant, I believe, up to 30, I think. Let's see, what does it say? Yep, water resistant. I have not subject this to any water, just as a disclaimer. I have not subject it to any water, so I don't know what the quality is as far as the water depth is or anything like that. Once again, I don't buy watches to tell time. I wear watches to wear a watch. I've got, you know, I just like watches. So once again, really, really nice looking watch, good quality watch. You know, looks like it keeps, good time. It sounds good. It feels good. It looks good. It's, a nice tight band. It's not, not really loose like some of the other cheap bands. It's really good quality. It's got the laser etching of the logo. I believe it's even got the laser etched logo, the crown on the crown. Yeah, see. So I mean, these are good watches. These Olevs watches. I'm definitely a big fan of them. And if you pick one up, you'll see why. I mean, they're good watches, and they do get a lot of looks. You wear one of these, and people think you spent a lot more for your watch than you actually did. So anyway, you want to pick one of these up? Click on the link, head on over, grab one. Give me that thumbs up and that like. That really helps out the channel. And I'm gonna head out. I got a couple more watch videos to do, and I will be posting those. Stay tuned to the channel and like, subscribe, and show the love. And until next time, Dave the Watchman, I'm out.